Presenting Sony Bravia 4K Ultra HD Smart LED Google TV KD-65X74K in black and comes in a size of 146.3 x 8.7 x 85.2 centimeters and weighs 22.1 kgs. This 4K Ultra HD TV has a resolution of 3840 x 2160 pixels with a refresh rate of 60 Hz. This smart Android TV has live color technology, 4K X Reality Pro display with Motion Flow XR200 feature. It has a wide viewing angle of 178 degrees. This TV comes with built-in Google Assistant, Apple AirPlay and Chromecast connectivity and is Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled. This Google TV has features like 7,000 plus apps, 70,000 plus content and watch list to add movies on the phone to watch on TV. The TV is equipped with 3 HDMI ports and 2 USB ports. Enjoy 20 watts of immersive sound with Dolby audio support and open baffle speakers. The box contains the LED TV, warranty card, AC adapter, AC power cord, remote control, tabletop stand, user manual, 2 AAA batteries. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. You can schedule the delivery per your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with brand for installation within 48 hours of delivery. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.